Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to show you how you can check inactive items in the Biz Analyst app. Open the app and click on the Reports button present at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now click on Inactive Items. You will get a list of all the inactive items since last 30 days. You can customize the timelines through the top filter icon. Further, you can filter the inactive items via items in stock, not in stock, negative stock, and items below reorder level. You can sort the inactive items by name, amount, date, and quantity and share the inactive items list too. You can check inactive items with respect to stock group and stock category too. Also, you can click on any inactive item to get a complete overview of its sale and purchase summary, list of customers and suppliers, price list, and more. Inactive items feature on the Biz Analyst app helps in better inventory management for your business. Try the inactive item features on the Biz Analyst app today.